Oh, fuck, I forgot what I was gonna start with. One sec. Nope, so I guess you're just gonna hear about how awful my night was. Sorry. Nobody tipped me. And I could say I did a horrible job, but I didn't. I know I did really good. I was so nice. I got compliments. They were like, your service made my life worth living again. And then people showed me their scars, their cutting scars, and saying how they weren't going to cut anymore after they received my service at the unnamed restaurant at which I work. But there was this one table. Like, dude, they tipped me in euros. I'm serious. Where is that? I brought them here so I could prove it. They tipped me €3. You know the little coins? I'm like, oh, fucking great. Thanks. I could, like, start a collection of all the coins I've got. I've got Canadian coins. I've got the euro. And I think I have some, it might actually be a U.S. coin. I don't really pay attention, but it was like East Caribbean. That may be part of the U.S. currency. I don't know, because it looks kind of American. But, dude, I could start a fucking coin museum with all the coins that I'm getting fucking gypped with. The same table that left me the euros, though. They paid their bill, tipped me in euros. They left this, which makes their table worthwhile, because, I mean, now I have a mug that I'm not going to clean. I'm just going to preserve this complete anal fucking from my job forever. But, I mean, at least I got a mug out of that table. The rest of them, nada. And it's weird, because it wasn't a bad night or anything. Like, I had fun, because the people there are fun, but I was so fucked at the end of the night. And then, we have to cash in, so we turn in all of our receipts and stuff, and one of mine didn't have a signature. Now, generally, you just fake the signature on them. I wasn't paying attention because I was too busy, like, dying over the fact I was getting $70. I told you now. $70 for a whole night, 3 tabling. But I didn't notice that it wasn't signed. And instead of being a good person, the cash taker was like, ooh, now I gotta take that tip out. That was a $21 tip that they took out. Usually, the good ones, the ones who aren't super outrageous cunts, just send you out of the room and they're like, oh, go try to find the signed copy on that receipt so you can get the tip, which means you go out and you sign it by yourself, which usually I do if people don't sign it. But you guys have ran a card, right? You guys have gotten receipts. It's right under where you put the total. How do you forget to sign that? I've never done that. Been like, yeah, tip, total, forgetting anything? Nope. Guess we're good. But yeah, that was my work night. I don't work again until day shift, so I guess tomorrow I'll do something. Maybe you'll come along. I don't know. I wish I had more. I forget. I feel like I had something else, but probably not. I don't have that much to do in life. Okay, bye. Oh, the beauty of New York. Yeah, this is pretty close by. I love it. I'm gonna climb in there and live there. Thing. Hi, I have lots of thoughts, so I think I'll just loop these all together and make them all just a little bit different so you guys don't get bored, okay? My mom bought me these. Are they obnoxious or what? Mother thought I would never wear these. Hallucinate. It's an ass hat. I hate doing dishes. It's because I fill up the sink, right? And I'm always afraid that something's like gonna grab me. Or like a mouse or a cockroach is gonna slide up the drain and grab me or bite me. I used the word trite today, as in, these bananas are trite too expensive. I think I'll leave. True story. It's an ass hat. What? I didn't press it hard enough. Well, actually, I guess that was it.